Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Maurya and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in the video I am going to talking about past continuous tense. So friend then let's get started. Learn past continuous tense definition. Learn past continuous tense definition. Action that lasted for some time in the past. Action that lasted for some time in the past. सो फ्रेंड चलिए हम देखते हैं पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की पहचान। जिस क्रिया के अंत में रहा था रही थी रहे थे, जिस क्रिया के अंत में रहा था रही थी रहे थे लगा रहता है, वो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की पहचान होती है। जिस क्रिया के अंत में रहा था रही थी रहे थे लगा रहता है, ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की पहचान होती है। दिस इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। दिस इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। Was and were, these are a helping verb of past continuous tense. Was and were, these are a helping verb of past continuous tense. Was used with I, he, she, it singular person. Was used with I, he, she, it singular person. Were used with we, they, you, two person or more. Were used with we, they, you, two person or more. So friend, look at this structure. Subject plus was, were plus verb with ing plus object. Subject plus was, were plus verb with ing plus object. Look at this example. वह खेल रहा था, वह खेल रहा था, he was playing. वह खेल रहा था, he was playing. तुम दुकान जा रहे थे, you were going to shop. तुम दुकान जा रहे थे, you were going to shop. So friends, I am going to talking about negative sentence. Look at this structure first. Subject plus was, were plus not plus verb with ing plus object. Subject plus was, were plus not plus verb with ing plus object. Look at this example. वह मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहा था, वह मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहा था. He was not helping me. वह मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहा था, he was not helping me. वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था, he was not going to market. वह बाजार नहीं जा रहा था, he was not going to market. So friend, always remember we use not after helping verb. Always remember we use not after helping verb. So friend, I am going to talking about interrogative sentence. Look at this structure. Was, were plus subject plus verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Was, were plus subject plus verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Look at this example. क्या तुम मेरा कंप्यूटर चला रहे थे? क्या तुम मेरा कंप्यूटर चला रहे थे? Were you using my computer? क्या तुम मेरा कंप्यूटर चला रहे थे? Were you using my computer? क्या वह नहा रहा था? Was he taking a bath? क्या वह नहा रहा था? Was he taking a bath? So friends, we always use helping verb in interrogative sentence first. Friends, we always use helping verb interrogative sentence first and don't we forget that question mark end of interrogative sentence.